What do you think, Mason? Keep splashing yourself in the face? He's trying to crawl out. He's like, I want to stand up. That was a good splash.
Did you get yourself? You get yourself all wet. Oh, wash you? Wash. Wash your armpit. Wash your belly. Yeah.
You're gonna get mommy all wet. You keep trying to stand up. Look at that big guy. Stand up.
Wow, look at you.
He's like, I'm gonna stand up.
Wow.
You've never done that.
Wow. Wow,
It's like, mommy, I want out of my tub.
It's okay.
I keep splashing myself, and I don't like to splash myself.
Your bum on your